Okay, I'm going to show you guys. This is the s'mores stick, and you'll need a graham cracker. I think you put chocolate on next, so here's your chocolate. Marshmallow. Graham cracker. Does that look like a s'more? And then you'll want to roast it over the fire. Look at that, s'mores. That's how it goes, I guess. If you'd rather have shrimp, stick a shrimp on there and cook it however you want to. There's your shrimp. Hot dog, you think? It's okay. Cook a hot dog. There you go. That's how it works. Thanks.